I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make candy wrappers. Creating your own custom candy wrappers is a fun and creative project, perfect for parties or unique gifts. First, you'll need to gather your basic supplies. This includes paper, a good pair of scissors, and a reliable adhesive like double-sided tape or a glue stick. Selecting the right paper is crucial. Glossy photo paper or a lightweight cardstock, around 65 pounds, works wonderfully for a professional finish. Also, have your printer, design software, and a ruler on hand. Now, let's move on to the design phase. Begin by carefully measuring your candy bar to get precise dimensions for your wrapper. Most standard chocolate bars are about 5.5 inches long and 2.5 inches wide. Next, open your preferred design software, like Canva or Adobe Express, to craft your unique graphics and text. Remember to incorporate a 1/2 inch overlap on one side of your design. This will be essential for securely sealing the wrapper later. Print a test copy on plain paper first to check the size. With your designs printed, it's time for cutting and assembly. Use sharp scissors or a paper trimmer to precisely cut out each wrapper. Accuracy here ensures a neat final product. Next, place your candy bar face down on the back of your printed wrapper, making sure it's perfectly centered. This step is key for an even wrap. Then, carefully fold one side of the wrapper over the candy, followed by the other, ensuring the 1/2 inch overlap is on top. Apply your chosen adhesive to the overlap and press firmly to seal. To give your custom candy wrappers a truly professional finish, take a moment to smooth out any air bubbles or wrinkles. A clean, crisp wrapper makes a big difference. For an extra touch of authenticity, you might consider wrapping your candy bars in a layer of aluminum foil before adding your custom paper wrapper. This mimics the look and feel of store-bought candy. Finally, store your beautifully crafted candy bars in a cool, dry place to protect them from heat and moisture, ensuring they look their best for your event.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.